Well, it's a typical winter day here in the Netherlands. Of grey, wet and cold. We're in Rotterdam, and today I'm going to take my little houseboat, tugboat, and has to come out of the water. I'm painting. So we take it from here. We'll go about 200 meters that way. That's where the boat ride is, not so far to go, and then we lift it up. In the beautiful skyline of Rotterdam, and yeah, let's see if our engine is gonna start. Didn't want it to start a few days ago, so let's see how today goes. Moving. So now we wait for this bridge to open so we can continue. We have to wait for high water and this big ship can come down, and then we can go up there. This is old port. Over there you have the cube houses, are very famous in Rotterdam, and a beautiful old building here also. Stuff growing on it after 5 years. So yesterday was pretty wet, shitty weather. So they cleaned out the whole bottom of the boat, nice and clean now. And this morning, today, there comes an inspection, and they basically check how thick the steel is, you know, and if there's any additional repairs have to be done. So I'm waiting for that, and after that we can see how much work there's going to be. So most of it is actually pretty good. Only, well, there's a little hole here. It's never good to have a little hole in your boat, and so we have to put some extra plates on here. So just weld on another plate of steel on here. Today, primer and the first coat on it, looking beautiful. So yesterday was a lot of welding. This corner is done, and now I have to work in another piece of steel in here. I have to bend it a bit, into this place, and hopefully paint the rest, the antifouling, and finished a lot of the painting today. Looking good. That's blue sky. Epa. Trying to heat it up and bend it into place. So this place is like round like this, and also round like this. So it's I'm learning a lot, but bending a metal plate into place is hard work. Well, we'll see. So that's all painted, all done. Pieces in place too. The whole ship is painted now. So now today we just now have to wait for high tide again. We just lower it down again. We just move it up a little bit, and we can paint a few things where it's lying on now. Well, hope it still floats. So most work is done. During the week there was a welder, the painter. They did most of the work, and I just have to do a little finishing touching now on the weekend, and then Monday we can put it back. So everything cool. Wow, it's a beautiful winter day, and I have time to chill and drink some beer. Well, it's Sunday. We just finished the whole bottom part of the boat, and now it's cheers, everybody. So it's basically done. Tomorrow I will just clean a bit more, and then in the afternoon we could put ship back, and we go back to my place over there. So well, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.